Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be installing our new air compressor. In the last video you saw me drain the oil from the new compressor, fill it up with the correct amount, 3 ounces of PAG 46, and now it's time to install, so let's give it a go. I want to install the long bolt first. We got 3 bolts. We want to make sure there we go. Then our second bolt will go here. Got that one started by hand. That'll help hold it in place. And our third and final bolt will be there. Got that one started by hand. Alright, all 3 bolts are started by hand. Now we can go ahead and tighten them up. That one down snug. Turn this. Alright, that one's down snug. Alright, all bolts are locked down. Now, the only thing left to do is our plug-ins here. With 2 plug-ins and 2 cables, 2 lines. We're going to install new gaskets for this air conditioning line and new O-rings. We'll install it here, and then we'll install the last line. First thing we want to do, take off our duct tape. We'll remove the old gasket. We'll locate a new gasket for this in my kit, and we'll install that as well, the one O-ring. Now you want to make sure that you look at the old one and compare it to the new one, because you'll see there's different sizes. This is for like a low line pressure. This is for the high pressure. It's a little smaller. So you want to make sure you got the right one for the right application. Now I've got my hook tool, so we can remove this old O-ring out of here. Just hook it like such, pull it off. I've got a new O-ring that I will dip in PAG oil. I got some PAG oil in this cap. Let that soak in there, get it nice and lubricated. And install our AC line. And that's one down. I'll go get the nuts for that. Alright. One AC line done. Now we can do the same thing to the next AC line. And remove our O-ring. We'll dip our new O-ring in PAG oil. Let it sit, soak it up. We'll install this one. Make sure it spins around, it's all free. Install our new gasket. Route the line like it should be. This amount here, so okay. So now we can move this other cap. It's all clean there. Install this. There we go. Okay, both air conditioning lines are hooked back up. And now we got one more line to hook up We'll hook this line up to the accumulator, going from, it's a low pressure line going from the compressor to the accumulator. Make sure we had all the duct tape residue off of there. Nice and clean. We got our brand new O-rings on here. We're gonna lube them up real good with some tag oil. And then install our line till we hear it click. There we go. And now she's in. Okay. Now our low pressure line's attached to the accumulator. That's all buttoned up. Air compressor's all buttoned up except for the two cables, or two connectors. Well, these two connectors, this one goes here. Oh. Slides right on to here, a little click. And then this one. And there we go. Alright, got our connectors on. We just want to go over everything, double check everything, make sure we left nothing, such as this tag can be taken off. Check our accumulator. Go over all the bolts, recheck them. And everything looks good here. Our condenser, everything's buttoned up there. Our fuse box is back in place. Now all we got to do to finish this project is put our air filter housing back on and our air box. So let's do that, shall we? And the air box just sits right over these studs. Line everything up. And then just press down. Got 4 studs, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Simple, simple. Alright. Now I'm actually going to go buy a new air filter, so I got to hold off on putting a new filter in, and we'll put our cap on and get all that squared away. But that's pretty much the whole complete AC system. New air compressor, new accumulator, new condenser, AC's been flushed, the whole system. And now all we got to do is vacuum it for a minimum of 1 hour. Make sure we've got no leaks. Get all the moisture out. And after vacuuming, then we can install Freon and get this puppy dog fired up and check the freon levels, make sure we're blowing nice and cold, and get ready for this rest of the summer. We'll be riding nice. So that's about it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope I was able to help some. And that saved us $600-700 from a shop doing it. So I used all hand tools, you know, just for those guys out there that don't have battery operated tools or air tools. You know, I showed you can do it with hand tools. You can do it the whole system. You can have everything out in about an hour, and then it actually went back together quicker than it was taking it apart, which usually it's the other way around, but I slapped it all back together real quick. Took my time doing it, make sure I did it right, double checked everything, and save you all that money. So good luck on your projects out there. If you liked the video, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more, because we will have a bunch more videos coming up. I am restoring a 1979 Camaro, and we're gonna get that all cleaned up. I got a bunch of parts for it. Show you the tips and tricks on that as well. So stay tuned for future videos, guys, and appreciate your time, and y'all hang in there. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.